Hope that you are having a great evening, and if you're just joining me on my channel, please subscribe. I would love to hear from you. Please, if you like my content, hit the like button on any videos that you like, and just let me know how I'm doing. But anyways, I just want to talk about my workout tonight. I did 2 workouts actually. So I did a 40-minute workout, which was hammer power, and basically a lot of that was a lot of it was powerlifting, but with dumbbells, and it was like one of my favorite workouts. I was kind of tired because I waited all day, but and I was even gonna throw it out and say, "Oh, I'll just do it tomorrow," but I didn't, and I got my workout in. That's always a plus. So after I got my workout completed, I then went on a walk for about 2 miles after that, and just got stuff in. I just felt good after get the hammer power workout in, so I went out with my daughter and walked. We walked probably about 2 minutes, about good 20 to 30 minute walk, and we enjoyed it, and it was nice. It's cooler here in Michigan right now. It's been in the 70s and the 50s at night, so it was nice and cool. And it was awesome because I've seen a lot of people out walking too. So a lot of people are getting their exercise in, which is awesome and amazing. But yeah, pretty much today what I did was cleaned out my garage because I'm going to be moving soon, and I ended up doing some... What's up?
Are you recording?
Yep. Hi.
Hi, Dad.
So, that was my oldest son, Dathan. But anyways, we are, going to be, moving soon, and, so I was basically cleaning up the garage, taking care of stuff, and just doing the moving things, you know, so that I can get myself ready for the move. Hi. How are you? There's not a place in my house I can go without having a kid be around. I'm serious. It's so true. Not that it's a bad thing, but I'm hoping the new house, maybe I'll have an office or something that I can shut the door and lock it so I don't have kids in here all the time. But they're a joy. But yeah, I cleaned out the garage, and then I played outside with the girls out on the deck earlier. They had fun. We used some totes, and we filled them up with water. They kind of had their own little pool on the deck. They had fun with it, and we played out there, and we wasted some of their energy. But anyways, I'm gonna cut this short because she's there, and I can't. Probably it's my autistic daughter, and she doesn't understand. So have a great night, and please subscribe to my channel for further channels. Also, if you are in need of a workout, or if you're into health and fitness and want to be a coach and join my team Better You, please leave me a comment, and I will put some information below, like links where you can get a hold of me at, and I would love for you to join my team Better You. And also, I would love for you to come join me doing workouts, and I would love to get you as one of my accountability partners in my online fitness group on Facebook. But anyways, take care, God bless, and I love you guys. Bye.